Hi friends, do you want to become a business analyst in 2026 but don't know where to start? Are you confused about skills, certifications, tools, Agile, SQL, or whether coding is required to become a business analyst? In this video, we will give you a complete step-by-step business analyst roadmap for 2026, whether you are a fresher or non-IT professional or working in IT already. Watch till the end because we will also share what not to waste time on, and we will share you the important documents, sample documents which are related to BRD, FRD and use case diagrams. We will share you the sample documents at the end of the video, and I'm going to share you the important FAQs also at the end of the session. On this channel, we will help you build a successful career in business analysis with practical guidance, real world examples, and structured roadmaps. Let us break this roadmap into 6 clear steps. The step 1 is understand what a business analyst really does. First, we need to understand a business analyst is not a coder. That means business analyst will not do any coding. Always it is better to have knowledge on coding, but that is not mandatory for business analyst. A business analyst acts as a bridge between business stakeholders and the technical teams. That means business analyst understand the business requirements, exactly what is the requirement given by the business, and he needs to understand that requirement and he need to explain to the internal technical teams. Here let us understand on which areas we need to concentrate to become a business analyst. Core competencies or core responsibilities of business analyst: requirements gathering, writing BRD and FRD, creating user stories, stakeholder communication, process modeling, supporting UAT. Don't worry about all these terms. I'm going to share you the website link, which is covered all the relevant articles on the website which are related to how to gather the requirements, how to write BRD and FRD, and how to create user stories successfully, and how to do process modeling, and how to support during UAT. This is step 1. In step 2, we will concentrate on business analysis concepts. So here you need to learn about SDLC, Agile and Scrum, requirement types, use cases, user stories, acceptance criteria. That means you need to understand all these terms. You need to learn and concentrate on all these terms. And documentation skills. As a primary role of business analyst is preparing the documents. So here business analyst will create some documents, that is BRD, most important documents, BRD, FRD, user stories and RTM. BRD means business requirement document, functional requirement document and requirement traceability matrix, RTM. So what tools business analyst needs to learn? JIRA, Confluence, MS Excel, PowerPoint and basic SQL. You need to learn only basic SQL. That means how to write the select queries, how to write update queries and how to write delete queries. That is more than enough, and it is always good to have knowledge on SQL. And step 3, learn Agile deeply. Because now most of the companies are working on Agile methodology. So you need to understand and you need to learn about Agile methodology. That is what are Scrum roles and what are sprint planning, how to prepare the backlog grooming and story estimation, and UAT support. Step 4, build real-time projects. So this is where most of the people will fail, because by watching the videos we will not get anything. We need to understand how to prepare the documents and all by watching the videos. Once you understand how to create and all, just you take the sample documents and you try to prepare a documents with using any requirement. If you are expecting any sample requirements or any sample documents, let us know so that we can share you. In step 4, what you need to do is prepare a sample BRD for an e-commerce app. E-commerce, right? Every day we are using the most of the e-commerce applications. For example, Amazon or e-commerce or Zomato, you can name it whatever application you want. Just to prepare some requirements and try to prepare the BID. And try to create user stories for a banking app. And try to create process flow diagram for a hospital system. How from patient onboarding to till discharge, what is the flow? Just try to create a workflow and a JIRA board. And step 5, certifications. See, I can't say certifications are mandatory because certifications is always optional. Always it is good to have the certification, but this is not a mandatory. If you are looking for any certifications, then you can consider below certifications: ECBA for beginners and CCBA for mid-level and CBA for experienced professionals. Certification will help you, but skills matter more. And step 6, prepare a resume and start applying to jobs. At least minimum 5 to 10 jobs you apply per a day. And you need to understand here, don't use the same template for all the jobs. Based on the job description, we need to modify your resume and you need to apply. And here you can target the below roles. You can apply for junior business analyst, Agile business analyst, functional consultant, and product analyst. In some companies, they call business analyst as a functional consultant or product analyst. So you can apply for these jobs. And I think you already aware of job portals. Most popular is Indeed and LinkedIn and Naukri. We can apply. Till now, we discussed what to do and what you need to learn to become a business analyst in 2026. Now, we need to understand what not to do in 2026. As I told you, coding is not a mandatory skill for business analyst. So don't waste time learning coding deeply and don't collect 10 certifications. Don't wait until you feel 100% ready. Don't ignore communication skills. And let me tell you the quick summary of 90 days action plan. In month 1, you need to concentrate on BA fundamentals and practice documentation. And in month 2, you need to concentrate on learn Agile plus tools and build 2 mock projects. And in month 3, you need to start applying the jobs by preparing the resume. Becoming a business analyst in 2026 is absolutely achievable if you follow a structured roadmap. You don't need luck. You need clarity, consistency, and execution. If this roadmap helped you, comment roadmap 2026 in comments and subscribe for more structured career guidance. And as I mentioned, here I am providing the links in the description to learn about Agile and business analyst skills and how to become a business analyst. If you are interested, you can click on that links and you can improve your knowledge and BA skills. If you have any doubts or clarifications, please feel free to mention in comments so that I will address in next video. Thank you for watching.